Sometimes you open a delivery app just to check one thing and then realize how often you actually use it in a week, whether it's for rides across town or food on a busy evening. And that small realization is usually where Uber One starts to sound appealing, because it connects frequent use with ongoing savings. And as you look closer, the way the perks overlap begins linking convenience with value in a steady, everyday way. The idea behind the membership is simple but layered, because many people already use Uber for transport and Uber Eats for meals or groceries, and Uber One tries to bring benefits across both, so instead of separate offers, you get a combined system. When you browse restaurants or book rides, eligible options often show a small indicator that connects your membership to savings, and those small discounts or fee reductions quietly add up over time. It's not one big benefit, but many smaller ones that bridge into your normal habits, which is why regular users tend to notice it more. One appealing part is how it reduces certain fees on eligible deliveries and can offer member-only promotions, and those perks link spontaneous orders with less hesitation since the cost feels lighter. There are also priority or premium support features in some regions, and that bridges service with reassurance if something goes wrong. The app typically shows which orders qualify, so expectations stay clear instead of confusing. Of course, the value depends on how often you order or ride, and occasional users might not feel it as strongly, but frequent users often see the difference. Checking which restaurants or stores are eligible helps, because not every order qualifies, yet the system is designed to be visible so you know when benefits apply. Over time, some people stop thinking about individual fees and just notice their totals staying lower than before, and that subtle shift changes how they use the apps. Then you might join for 1 month just to test it and end up using it for rides too, and that turns into ordering a bit more freely on busy days and then into noticing the small savings stacking up. And somewhere between a discounted delivery and a smoother ride booking, you realize your routine has adjusted around the membership without much effort, and the thought kind of drifts toward your next order or trip. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.